Currently 2:30 in the morning. I woke up yesterday with a cold, so traveling today is going to be really hard. Everybody's going to start showing up here in about an hour, and then we'll start making our way to the airport and get checked in. I really hope I didn't forget anything. I packed in like one of those sickness fogs. Ugh. All right, made it through TSA. We are headed to the gate. We've got our matching bucket hats that Shauna made us. So we are ready to roll with our favorite travel buddy, Miss Jennifer.
Are we ready to rock?
We are ready to roll. Hi. Yeah, we're getting ready to go to Salt Lake. Ooh. First leg of the trip.
And first class diamond medallion.
That's not us.
That's not us. We're normal people with normal boarding passes.
We're slumming it in the back, but that's okay. It's all right. So we will see you guys on board. Ooh. There they go, the first two from the travel team. Ooh, ah, God.
So excited.
Thank you.
We made it to Salt Lake, and originally our flight was supposed to be at 11 o'clock today, but Delta canceled it. So we are here super duper early. And yeah, we're gonna head to the lounge and maybe eat some breakfast food. Are you playing footsie with me?
I am.
4 hours into our layover.
Right? Yeah.
Okay, so we are getting ready to leave the Delta Club Lounge to head to our flight to Paris. I still have a cold. I wish I didn't, but hopefully that means that I will sleep better. I feel gross. We spent about 7 hours in this lounge. Well worth it. If you guys have a Delta credit card that allows you to come in, or an American Express Platinum, you can come in for free, but your guests are $50. And I think definitely in this case it was worth it, because again, we spent about 7 hours in this lounge. So we got free drinks, we got free food. Some drinks are priced, so the real premium ones. If you want, I heard a gal order a glass of Chardonnay from France or Spain or something like that, and it was like $9. So, but the food was good. This is one of my favorite lounges here in Salt Lake. They just redid it because they just redid the airport. Super comfortable. Yeah, come check this place out.
We are headed over to the B gates here in Salt Lake. The Delta Club is located in the A terminal. It takes about 8 minutes to get over to the B terminal if you don't use the moving sidewalk. Shame on you, Salt Lake. You guys should have figured that out. But we're gonna head over there.
Look at this, Roy.
Roy will be there in 6 minutes. But Roy is also fueled by free drinks for 7 hours. All right, here we go.
Worth the $50.
Yep.
As a non-club member, worth it.
So I have a Platinum American Express, and both Jenny and Roy came in as my guests, and it was $50 for each of them. So for 7 hours, that was,
Worth it. Comfortable, didn't feel like, this.
Yeah,
And
not
not
crowded.
everybody around you. Food's great.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, worth
Free
it.
drinks. So we could have spent that easily in like 20 minutes down here. So,
Yep.
all right, off to our gates.
Oh no, it popped. I want to wear it.
Group of children. The original travel team.
Where? Stop.
You're sick.
I am sick.
We got all these song references here going. Hey Eva, do you want to run the wrong way up the escalator again?
I'll never live that down.
There was no indication that it was going down.
It's like that. Fix the mouth in the shower.
And there's that bromance of brewing.
Oh, I love it. Look at them. Oh my god! Oh, I'm so glad you.
I'm so glad she caught that.
Worried about who?
Yeah. I'm over here like.
So she just biffed it, talking about the bromance, but look at them. They're so happy. Walk this way!
Walk this way, master. I was more worried about the bromance that was blooming.
And Bloomy and broke her ankle.
Turns out.
Beyond excited.
My feet are
Beyond
really sweaty.
excited.
Really?
My hands are wet. My hands. One, two, three, four.
Paris passenger Jones, Deanna, please check in.
Time to board. Hi.
Just make sure that's signed. Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
So much. Have a great day.
Right.
It's time.
Let's go to Paris.
37.
Exits on this plane. 8 doors, 4 on each side. 6 doors have
How was dinner?
Dinner was good.
What'd you have?
I had the chicken and rice. Chicken was super good.
Oh,
nice and spicy. Really good. It had like sauteed vegetables with it. The rice was good. And then we have these little lemon blondies. And then also
Tasty drinks.
whiskey coke.
I had the raviolis. I mean, you can't really mess them up, but they weren't that good. Look at this handsome man. And everybody, he got rid of his mullet. I haven't seen that neck in over a year. We're saying goodbye to the last flight for this flight, I think. It's just clouds underneath us, so it's time to go to bed. Dinner has been had. Drinks have been drank. It's time for bed. I get the feeling that we have a new hooch demon on the travel team. That guy over there. I don't know if you can see it, but he's got a big old beard and way too much booze. And Roy's feeling put out. What? We have a new hooch demon. No. We are 5 hours down. We have 4 more hours to go. Let's talk about one thing that's super shocking. Look how clean it is. I mean, I'm not even seeing the floor. Wow. Ooh.
Hey,
For your life.
this is my mom.
Oh, get some. I mean, sorry. Don't get some.
Kill it.
I really yelled it.
너와 나 우리의 여름밤 그 세 글자 네 눈에 떠올라 잠깐만